Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm back with another video. So today I'm going to be cleaning and organizing under my kitchen cabinet, in which I use for my pantry, because I don't have like the regular pantry, walk-in pantry. So this is what I'm working with, and this is what I use to store most of my items. The other items are in a different cabinet, so I'll be cleaning and organizing it in a separate video. So today I'm basically just gonna be taking everything out, giving this a good clean, and wipe down and throwing away anything that I'm not using or that may be old, and putting everything else back. So that's basically all I'm going to be doing in this video. So if y'all enjoy this type of content, I would love for you to stick around and subscribe if you haven't already. And to my new subscribers, I would like to thank y'all for supporting my channel, and I want to thank my old subscribers as well for sticking around and support me. So that's basically it. So I'm gonna go ahead and get started, and I hope y'all enjoy. Alright y'all, so this is what the cabinet is looking like since I removed everything. So y'all, my apartment is not up to date, so my cabinets are pretty old and worn. So those brown patches that y'all see is basically the paint that has chipped over time. And I didn't think to get any like contact paper to cover that up, but I'm just gonna leave it the way it is for now. So I may do that in another video some other time, but right now I'm just sweeping out any like crumbs and all that stuff, and then I'm gonna go behind that and wipe everything down.
Keep on driving and driving along the road tonight. Lost my head over my back between the jars and bottle jack. Just me and all the red lights. Keep on driving and
Okay y'all, so here's one of my most recent purchases. I got the Bissell Stain Shot. I ordered it off of Amazon. I wanted to give it a try just to see how good it works. So the reviews was good, and I decided to go ahead and order me one. So I'm going to be using it today to steam clean these cabinets, and for it to break up all of this dirt and all that stuff that's just been sitting in the cabinet. So far I'm loving it. It's getting the job done. So once I'm done steam cleaning it, I'm gonna go behind it with my little Clorox solution, because y'all just love my chemicals, Clorox, Lysol and all that. So I'm just gonna wipe it down again with my Clorox, and then I'm gonna put everything back. Alright, y'all, so right here is my little notepad. I'm about to write down everything putting back in the cabinet, so I know, what I have in stock, because I don't want to have to go to the, grocery store and end up buying stuff that I already got, because I done that, plenty of times, end up buying stuff that I already have. So now that it's organized, I can be able to see, what's in here. That's why, I need to stay on top of, being organized, so I know, what I have.
Like that, walking out the door like that, you're not feeling sorry, it's your own fault. Now toss the salt. Oh baby, baby, I don't know what to say. Every beginning's gonna end up the same. Spare me your thoughts and give.
So another thing I like to do when I'm organizing is making sure that all like items are together. Like all of my breakfast items, pancake, syrup, and all that stuff, I would like it to be, together, and all of my pasta sauces, together, and the oils. Y'all get what I'm saying. So I just like to make sure everything that matches, stays together.
Don't you look at me like that? When you break my heart like that, like you're feeling sorry, it's your own fault. Now toss the salt. Don't you look at me like that, walking out the door like that, you're not feeling sorry, it's your own fault. Now toss the salt. It's a devil on your shoulder, devil on, it's a devil on your shoulder, devil on, it's a devil on your shoulder. Like you're feeling sorry. Don't you look at me like that, when you break my heart like that, like you're feeling sorry, cause you're not feeling sorry. Hey, hey. Don't you look at me like that, when you break my heart like that, like you're feeling sorry, it's your own fault. Now toss the salt. Don't you look at me like that, walking out the door like that, you're not feeling sorry, it's your own fault. It's not a under neon bright lights when I see you dancing on the Polaroids. Just wanna have a good time, don't you? It all goes low, low, low. I don't wanna talk before the moment slowly slips away. Get a little dirty, baby, nothing you ain't gonna take, yeah. Fire burning like I do under my tattoos. There's a remedy, 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 yeah. And the way you go, baby, don't you know? There's a remedy, 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 yeah. Dressed in cigarette smoke, is it the print you wanna leave behind? Get all those cold eyes cold looking, but say bye, bye, bye. I don't wanna talk before the moment slowly slips away. Get a little dirty, baby, nothing you ain't gonna take, yeah. Fire burning like I do under my tattoos. There's a remedy, 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 yeah. And the way you go, baby, don't you know? There's a remedy, 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 yeah. Darling Palooza, ain't gonna lose ya. I'm gonna do that. Darling Palooza, ain't gonna lose ya. Darling Palooza, ain't gonna like I do under my tattoos. There's a remedy, remedy, remedy. Yeah, and the way you go, baby, don't you know? There's a remedy, remedy, remedy. Yeah, yeah. There's a remedy, remedy. Yeah. Oh no, darling, Palooza, ain't gonna lose ya. I'm gonna do that, darling, Palooza, ain't gonna lose ya. There's a remedy, remedy. Darling, Palooza, ain't gonna lose ya. I'm gonna do that, darling, Palooza, ain't gonna lose ya. There's no remedy, remedy, yeah. I want to be daring, baby, dance the night away. I let my head down if I want. Don't you just get tired chasing fame and being pretty all the time? Doesn't sound like fun. You can do better. Let me show you what a good time looks like. You can do better, so much better. I don't fit into your box. Beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better. I dare you to be wilder. I don't fit into your box. Beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better. I dare you to be wilder. I want to be silly, baby, dance the night away. I'll kick my shoes off if I want. Let yourself be free and maybe you will find that there is more to life than being pretty. Honey, let's just face it. You can do better. Let me show you what a good time looks like. You can do better, so much better. I don't fit into your box. Beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better. I dare you to be wilder. I don't fit into your box. Beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better. I dare you to be wilder. You can. Baby, let your head down. Be a little wilder. Baby, kick your shoes off. You don't have to hide it. Baby, let your head down. Be a little wilder. Baby, kick your shoes off. Don't hide it.
Alright, y'all, so that's pretty much it for this video. I hope y'all enjoyed it. If you did, make sure you like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe before you leave. And if y'all have any like video suggestions y'all would like to see from me, make sure y'all leave those down in the comments below. So that's pretty much it. Thank y'all for watching, and I'll be chatting with you in my next one.